Hi guys, I'm back today. I just want to show you I got my HelloFresh delivery today. So this is what it comes in, a box like this, and it is an insulated box. So if you're not home right away when your package comes, don't worry. They do have it insulated with some ice packs so nothing will go bad if you're not home right away. So I'm just gonna show you what is inside. It's very exciting when you get these boxes. And obviously the boxes are different sizes depending on what you get. So let's open it up. Yay. So the first thing that's going to be right on top are your recipe cards. So again, I do the 3-person meals for, I was doing it for 2 people, but my roommate decided he wanted to get it on it. So I am doing the 4-person meals now. So they always give you enough just for that, depending on your household. So here are my 3 cards today. So this week I am doing a black bean and poblano quesadilla, and it comes with crema and guacamole. Yum. That's a nice vegetarian option for people who don't want meat. I just thought it sounded good. Then we have prosciutto wrapped chicken with truffle chives, mashed potatoes, and lemony green beans. Yum. Then we have balsamic fig chicken, and it comes with potatoes and a mixed green salad. Those all sound really, really good, and I'm glad that it's a different variety. I don't have the same meat twice or whatever. It's a good choice. And they also give you every week Hello Delicious deals, which are like little perks that they'll give you. So they will give you let's see what this is. This is a $20 gift card for Function of Beauty. I'm not sure. It's some kind of shampoo and conditioner thing, and you can order it online. And oh, okay. So basically you can build your own shampoo and conditioner, which sounds really cool. You apparently just download the app and it will ask you like your hair type, your structure, your scalp moisture, like if you have a drier scalp or whatnot. So that's actually really cool. I didn't even realize that. And ooh, well, for any of you wine drinkers out there, they also gave me a $100 wine voucher for Naked Wines. I'll probably give that to somebody. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but we'll see. Alright, so on to the actual unboxing. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks. So it has a nice little cover right there. You just flip it open, and it's in a nice little box. Here are your bags for your meals, and under that there'll be 1 ice pack, and under that will be the meat. So here is the baggie for the balsamic fig chicken, the prosciutto wrapped chicken, the black bean and quesadilla, and then as you can see inside the box, they do separate it with another. This is an ice pack right here. And so you have your chicken right there. And that is technically all the meat that should be in there. So you can put this in the recycling, which is what they prefer. Yeah, so as you see, the very bottom is a nice hard ice pack, and you have another one in there. And that's basically the HelloFresh delivery and how everything comes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video just to get an idea of how your deliveries will come. I will make another video about which one I decide to make later. I don't know exactly which one I want to do yet, but you will see that when it happens. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that. I am not sponsored by HelloFresh. I wish I was. Hopefully I can find a way to have them see these videos and sponsor me, because that way I can get free boxes. But in the meantime, I will get back to you guys later with which one I'm doing. Have a good day and be safe.